If you have DJI Air, should you upgrade to DJI Air? Well, let's have a look online what them two DJI Air2S and DJI Air3 can do on the paper. So we're gonna head on DJI website and have a look what them two drones can do for you as a photographer or videographer. As each drone has its own purpose, now we're gonna have a look on DJI website and see the difference between DJI Air2S and DJI Air3. Well, what difference they are. So let's have a look on DJI Air website. Now you can see the we're gonna start with DJI Air2S and let's have a look. So accordingly to DJI website, well, the weight of DJI Air3 2S is 595 grams. Well, let's have a look down a bit more. Max flight time is 31 minutes accordingly to DJI website. However, from my experience, it's roughly 20-25 minutes depending on the wind and the weather. If it's too windy outside, expect the battery to last shorter. Example, it will be about 15 minutes or 20 minutes if it's really windy. And on this one, it does really good job in the wind. And let's have a look. Now let's have a look. Max hovering time is 30 minutes. Well, max wind. Let's have a look more. The camera. This camera is 1 inch, which is good for you. I know the DJI Air3 have different camera. They have two actually, but this camera is 1 inch, which is good for you. Now let's have a look at the video. So in terms of video, it can shoot up to 5.4K, which is great, up to 30 frames per second, which is not bad. But you wouldn't want to record in 5K because the footage is going to look a bit washed from my experience. So most of the time you need to make sure you shoot in 4K, which is pretty decent footage. And it can go up to 60 frames per second in 4K, or you can shoot, same again, up to 60 frames per second in 2.7K, or in full HD up to 120 frames per second. So photo, always shoot in RAW, so it's nothing to talk here. Let's have a look. I think that's pretty much what you'll need to know about this drone. It's digital zoom, so it's not bad. Gimbal, pretty much, well, so video transmission system is O3. It's a bit older. I know the DJI Air3, it's O4, the new one. So I think that's pretty much what you can, I mean, there's more details on DJI website, but I don't think they won't really matter. So back to this, the main question is, should you upgrade the DJI 2S to a new one? My personal opinion is wait for new DJI Air drone. The reason is because there is no big upgrade from DJI 2S to DJI 3. And the major upgrade is you're gonna get from this upgrade is more flying time and another camera on the drone, which is, I don't think it's a big, really big upgrade. So better wait for new drone. That's my personal opinion. But if you don't have DJI 2S and you want to buy an Air drone, go straight to DJI 3 and you're gonna have this latest drone. But that's my personal opinion. If you have DJI 2S, I would probably say stick with DJI 2S until you're gonna see the new Air release. I think probably that's gonna happen next year. I think because they're releasing so many drones every year, this is gonna happen very soon. I think I don't like about DJI is because they're releasing drones so quickly. It's kind of people don't, how should I say, they don't have enough time to enjoy the drone, and they're rushing into upgrade so quick. So let's say, well, most people purchased Mini 3 Pro, then they're now selling it and buy Mini 4 Pro, which, same again, I don't see the reason why to buy Mini 4 Pro if I have Mini 3 Pro. It's pretty much same camera, just extra features, and that's it. But you're buying the drone because of the camera, because you want to do some photography, you want to film something, and that's the main thing people buying drones. But if you buy a drone just next year to sell it and buy a new one, is kind of, I think it's just waste of money unless you got extra money. But that's my personal opinion. So that's the main thing I don't like about DJI. And another thing is, because they released the DJI Air3 with new controller, means if I was gonna buy a new DJI Air3, I won't be able to use the DJI 2S controller on DJI Air3. So that will be gonna be a waste a bit. Thanks for watching my video, guys, and if you enjoyed and you want to support me, just hit that subscribe button and that will be really appreciated. And if you have any comments or any questions, just reply back in the comments there and I will try to reply back to you as soon as possible. Thanks again, guys, and enjoy your flight.